Hey, what's going on, SGN family? Scholar Gamer Nerd here. If you're new to my channel, I play video games and I share self-improvement wisdom, or what I call gems, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So first of all, let's define the context of the word gemstone. So a gemstone is a mineral crystal that has been polished, typically used to make jewelry. Okay, so that's sort of what I'm building on. However, I'm using the word gems figuratively in order to discuss wisdom that has been polished and is designed to help you live a better life. Too many people live in suffering, so I want to help alleviate that. Whether that's mentally, emotionally, financially, socially, linguistically, you name it. I hope these gems reach hundreds or maybe even thousands of people out there who no longer want to live in suffering. Why gems? Why quotes or short pieces of information? You might be wondering that. So let me give you some reasons. First of all, people are busy, so I want to honor your time. Secondly, I want to give you as much exposure as possible because wisdom is infinite. And thirdly, choice. There's power in choice. So the reality is that not every gem applies to everyone. So I want you to have exposure to a wealth of ideas that I share on my channel. And the last reason is that I want my channel to be a home for people like me who are trying to do their best and positively impact the world while dealing with their own trauma, problems, and challenges, etc. Essentially, guys, I want to help to end the cycle of suffering. You don't have to suffer, period. But most importantly, you don't have to be alone through your problems. So that's essentially why I do gems, is to share wisdom that is designed to help you improve your lives. Okay, guys? That's all I have for you today, SGN family. As always, don't forget to be a scholar first, gamer second, and a nerd always. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Love you guys. Peace.